Okay. Yes, this is our next problem in the isometric view. So I have opened the AutoCAD. In this, before starting that one, UN enter units. We have to give units and decimal precision to single zero and inches to mm. Okay, and then limit center 0 comma 0 enter, and 594 comma 420. Okay, right. Z enter, A enter. And I will make a work area REC enter rectangle 0 comma 0 and 594 comma 420. Right, this is my work area. Now in this I have to draw this diagram for this isometric view. This is your ortho diagram, and I have to convert it into isometric. Now L enter. Okay, and I will on the ortho mode. I will draw somewhere like this. Right, escape. Now again L enter. Now what is the length? Base 110. Okay, from this point
110.
yeah, shift at the rate, and what is the value? 110. 110 angle. What is the angle? 30.
30. 30.
Enter. Okay, this is your 110 mm, and height is 12 mm. 12, enter. Okay, right. I will join again this one also. Shift at the rate, again 110 I will give, and angle 210. 210, enter, and C enter. Okay, so this is your first base in the front view. Now at this point, this is your 56 in the top view. You can observe here, this is your 56. So again L enter. From this base point, shift at the rate, what is the value? 56, and what is the angle? What is the angle? 150. In the left side I have to give 150. Is it right? Right, enter. Okay, now height also 12, same 12, enter. I'll join this way. Okay, escape. Now L enter. From this point, again same, shift at the rate, what is the value? 110. Okay, angle 30, and from this point I will join directly here. Okay, escape. So this is your top surface, and upon this, from this point, from this end point, I will enter. Already this is your 40 mm. The height of the whole diagram is 40 mm, and at the bottom we have completed 12 mm. So what is the remaining length for this one? 40 minus 12. What is the height?
28.
28. 28,
28.
28 plus 12, yeah, 40, right. So again, now L enter. From this point, what is the height? 28, enter. Now again I should come this side. So what is the angle I have to give? Shift at the rate, and what is this distance? You can see here, this is your 36. This is your 36. That means shift at the rate, shift at the rate, what is a 36, and angle, what is the angle I have to give? Here I have to come 330. Did you remember that one? See, this is your 360 degrees minus 30, that means 330. Okay, right. Again in the ortho mode, directly 40 minus 12, 28. Data.
సార్ ఒకసారి అది మళ్ళీ చెప్పారా సార్?
1 minute. Right. Okay, from this point, see, this is your height. Total height is 40. So I have subtracted 12 mm. That means 40 minus 12, what is your value? 28.
28.
So from this point I have taken you this one. This is same as iso left, ma. Iso left. Actually this angle you, for example, this is your 180 degrees. If I want to draw a line in this manner, what is the value I have taken when drawing the iso left problems in the starting? 330 degrees. This is your 330 degrees line. Is it right? See, from this point, L enter. Let me take, if I want to draw right side, this is your 0 degrees. If I want to draw right angle 90 degrees, this is your 90, and this is your 180, and this is your 270. Okay, and from this point I want here. That means actually from here 0 and 360 are same. 360 minus 30, so it will come 330. That's why I have given the angle 330. Okay, clear? Right. Okay, now from this point, what is the distance? This one 56. So I will enter L enter. From this point I have to draw 56, so that shift at the rate 56, and what is the angle?
30.
30. Right. Okay, and again this side, here also I have to give same value now. What is the value? 36. Shift at the rate 36, and what is the angle? 330. Same as like this. Okay, yes, angle 330. Right, now downwards, what is the value? 28. Okay, escape. Now L enter. I'll join directly from this point. As I have 2 points, I will join directly. It will be 30 only. Otherwise you can take L enter, shift at the rate, what is the value? 56, and angle 30. Like that also you can join. Otherwise I have 2 points, I can join directly like this. Okay, right. Now TR double enter. I will remove this one which I don't need one, so that it will be easy for you. Right. So in this block I have to draw a circular shape like this. This shape is iso right. Okay, and what is the value? R20. Is it right? Okay, R20. So I will make somewhere here L enter. From this point, at the rate 20, I am making a iso right circle for this one. Okay, this is your R20. So at the rate 20, angle 30. L enter. From this point at the rate 20 and angle 30. Okay, yeah. Now again 20. Okay, now from this point, shift at the rate 20, angle, what is the angle? Now I have to 210.
210.
This is your one, right, 210. Enter. Now again C enter. Okay, right. This is your highest diagonal. I will join this one also, so that it will be easy for you to make a midpoint. Okay, and remaining apart from the highest diagonal, L enter. From this point, I will join opposite midpoints. Okay, and L enter. From this point, I will join opposite midpoints. Okay, right. Enough, I think. And one more line I will draw from this point. This data is enough for you. Okay, now C enter. Actually, I need a curve downside. Is it right? So I will draw that curve only. Why I have to draw all the curve? I will draw only. Okay, C enter. From this point, okay, right. TR double enter. Right. This curve, and again C enter. From here to here. TR double enter. Okay, clear. This curve, I think this one also no need, I think. Okay, let us take half of the curve more. C enter. From this point again up to here. Okay, TR double enter. Okay, is it okay or still okay? Let us join this curve also. Afterwards we can delete. C enter. From this point, this one, TR double enter. Right. Now I will select this one, M enter. With this midpoint, I will place on this one midpoint, right? From this only now.
Sir.
Okay.
Sir,
But the curve 20 or 20 from the center point, is it okay? Curve, it is looking like very more R20. Okay. Actually, this is your R20. So we have to take, what is the square box we have to take?
40.
40 by 40. Okay, right. Okay, L enter. L enter from this point. Shifted rate 40. 40. Enter, and from this point shifted the rate 40, angle 150, 210. C enter, right. L enter. Bar. Why the midpoint is not set? Okay, from this point, this midpoint. Okay, yes, this data is enough, I think. C enter. From this point, I will join up to here. Then C enter. From this point, I will take up to here. C enter. From this point up to here. TR double enter. C enter. From this point up to here. TR double enter. Right. Now I will select this one. M enter. With this midpoint, I will place here. Yes, this is your perfect. Okay. Now I'll trim off all the lines which I know need. Okay. I'll select all the circles. Now TR double enter. I'll trim this one also. Okay. Is it okay now? Now I will press L enter from this midpoint, from this base point in the angle 30 degrees. Shift at the rate, and what is the angle? What is the 36? I think this is your 36. Okay, 36 and angle 150. Angle 150. Okay. Now I will move this one and I will paste there. Okay. M enter. I mean CO enter. I should press CO enter, and from this point I will join here also. Okay. TR double enter. Right. I will delete this one. We'll enter. From this point also, I'll join up to here. Again, L enter. From this point, I'll join up to here. Now, TR double enter. So it's not going. So you can select and you can delete. Right. Up to here, clear? Okay. Right. Now, C enter. From this point, I will take 12 mm radius. 12 10 mm. Enter. Just for point. From here is this is your PO enter. This is your point. Okay. P type. Okay. I will get a circle. Now from this point I will join this. This is your inclined curve. Okay. L enter. And from this point I will join up to here. So that I want to know this is your also 10 mm. Okay. C enter. From this point also I will take a 10 mm circle so that it will be easy for me for placing a point. PO enter. No need PO. I will direct join L enter. From this point I will join up to here. Okay, escape again L enter. From this point again this end point. Okay, I will delete this circle. Okay, now again L enter. From this point I have to join up to here. Okay, right. So what is the angle I have to take? Some apart from this one, the total length is 110 and minus 56. So what is the value I have to take? 54. Okay, shift at the rate and 54 and angle downside 210. Okay, it's not coming up. 1 minute. I'll enter. From this point, shift at the rate and 56. 56 completed, so I have to take 54 angle 210. Right. So escape and whatever the remaining part are there, I'll trim off. Right. Okay, and here also we know one. Okay, this is your inclined surface. This point also I will delete. Okay, and here at the point of 20 mm, so I will make a L enter. From this point, midpoint, I'll draw a line. What is the line? 54. Same for knowing already 56 completed. Okay, this is total length is 110 and the center point is 28 and up to here 56 completed, so that you can take 54 off 27. Okay, L enter. I will take 27 distance. Shift at the rate 27 for making the midpoint. I am taking that one. 27 and angle. What is the angle? 210. 210 to 27 angle 210. This is your midpoint for making this iso circle. So dia 20. Actually, we have constructed iso dia 20. We have deleted. Okay, but we have to do in iso top. This one. This is your iso top. Now I have to do iso top. Okay. L enter. Now from this point, I will take 20 mm. Okay. Shift actually. I will shift at the rate 20 mm. Angle 30. Okay. And iso top means what is the angle I have to give now? What is the angle I have to give in the iso top? Previously I have taken 90 because in the iso right.
150, sir.
150, yeah.
150, sir.
Right. Okay. Shift at the rate 20 angle 150. Right. Okay. Now what is this angle? Shift at the rate 20 mm. Angle 210. And C enter. Okay, now I will join the highest diagonal, L enter, from this point to this point. Okay, again C and L enter, from this point I will join opposite midpoints. Okay, escape, spacebar, and from this point midpoint. Escape. Now again L enter, from this point.
Sir, a box dimension తీసుకో సార్.
ఈ radius, what is the dia of this small circle? 20 ఉంది కదా. 20 by 20. I will show you the dimension.
సార్
Hmm.
ఆ గ్రీన్ కలర్ మిడ్ పాయింట్ అవి చూపెట్టట్లేదు సార్, అవన్నీ చూపెట్టాలంటే ఎట్లా సార్?
OSRAP, DS draft setting, enter. Okay, in that you select object snap, and in that you have to select all. Okay, right. Now C enter, from this point I will join this one. Okay, I am not drawing all the lines because I know the points, that's why I am not drawing all the points. If you are perfect, you can draw like this also. Again C enter, from this point, from this point, C enter, from this point, TR double enter, okay. Now C enter, escape, C enter, from this point I'll join up to here, TR double enter, right. Now again C enter, from this point I will join up to here, TR double enter, okay. Now I will delete all the, okay, first of all I will place here this one, I will select this one, escape, I will select this one, M enter, select the base point means from this midpoint, and I will place over here. Okay, midpoint touched, right. Okay, now whatever the lines I no need, same, 1 minute. I will remove all the lines which I don't need. Now what is I want to see, as so as to represent this your a circular shape which is cut section. So I will draw a line, L enter, from this point. What is the width of this one? 12 mm. Okay, I will draw a 12 mm line, enter. Okay, now I will copy this whole circle and I will place here so as to represent the, okay, CO enter, okay, and base point, and I will copy here. Okay, see, TR double enter, okay. This is your final diagram of the given figure ma. Okay, have you understood this one? How I have taken this one? Same circle isotop.
Yes,
I
sir.
have taken this one and at the bottom 12 mm and I have placed, and this is your iso figure which solution, and this is also I know it. So tr double enter, I will take this one, I will trim off this one also. Tr double enter, right? This is your exact figure. Okay, hope you understood. Practice in AutoCAD.